I'm mad by the Spirit. I move in that problem. I move in that your problem. I'm not the one moving because I cannot move in your problem. I cannot carry your problem. But Jesus is moving through me, through a human being. I move in that your move problem right now. I knock at the door of that your problem. I knock at the door of that problem. God, mother, get up and shut it. Let that door open now. Are you looking for the fruit of the womb? Yeah, la bo shakanda bo shenda la bo reketa da 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 da. Yeah, la ba ba ba